All right, it's a disaster too many. Once again, yet again, it's Nigeria recording yet another disaster. And of course, right now, right here, I am live at Iju-Ishaga area of Lagos State. In fact, at the border end between Lagos and Ogun State, where we have the grey land, there has been a massive, what I mean massive, there has been a massive tanker explosion right here. And as I speak to you, members of the Lasema Response Unit, members of the Lagos State Fire Service, and the police, the NEMA, they are all here. I'm just getting here right now, but let me quickly flip the camera to the other side so you can see. It's been a major one, yes. It happened at Ajunwon area, at the end of Iju-Ishaga, Ajunwon area of Lagos State. There has been a massive tanker explosion here, and I hear several people have been injured, and of course many of them. All right, yes, as you can see here, this is supposed to be the tanker, and of course these are some of the remnants of the tanker. I learned the tanker that exploded has flown as much as 1 kilometer away from this point exactly. Yet again, another disaster for Nigeria, and of course you can see several persons around here. No movement here. This is Ajunwon area.
Black bag. Okay, wait, get so loud. That's so that we don't make this. Like Jim House. Yeah, Jim House. Is it? It's great, not big. You walk closer. Yeah. This one that we're looking at.
It's so unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Okay, let me speak with this person. Yes, I met him on my way coming here, and he said he was here. Oh yeah, Bokilo Shele.
Tanka gas. Òun ló fẹ́ yàwó lé sí bí gas company bí ìlú bó ṣe dìbò jábọ́ sínú kọ́tà ní àìtẹ̀sán kan dẹ̀ wà mí báyìí òun ló jẹ́ kó gbaná gbogbo bíbà ló ti gba gbogbo àwọn sọ́ọ̀mù gbogbo bíbà ìfátáfátá gbogbo bíbà tẹ̀ ń wo ìwọ̀n ta mọ́tò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn tó ń ìwédà kan wà mí báyìí tó ṣe géètì mi gbogbo géètì yẹn ló ti destroy ló ti pa gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́ táǹkà kíní táǹkì ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ ìgbà tó máa gbé bísí kẹta mẹ́rin ló gbé lọ tó lọ pa gbogbo fẹ́ǹsì wọn jẹ́ ó dẹ̀ gbé mọ́tò kan mí báyìí.
All right, thank you very much. All right, what he has said is a tanker. Yes, there is a tanker, a gas depot around here, and of course, what happened was the tanker was coming. Of course, right here it's a descending narrow road, so the tanker fell, and sadly, there was a high tension, which is live, and of course, it's a massive explosion. I must tell you, it's a massive explosion, and. You can see the road is being cordoned off already. There are members of the Lagos State Fire Service, men of the Lagos State Response Unit, and of course we have NEMA, we have every other person. We have men of the Federal Road Safety Commission also here. Presently, we can't explain, we can't identify the number of casualties as I speak, but I must tell you, it's been a major one. Kudos to the members of the Federal Road Safety Commission. They've been here, they've been trying to do as much as possible. You can see here, it's so massive, it's massive. All right, once again, this is legit live, and of course, we are right here at the border of Lagos State. It's just between the Lagos and Ogun State border here around Ajunwon, and of course, there has been a massive gas explosion here. There are lots of properties destroyed, of course, tens of cars also, and I also hear many of the casualties, sadly, have been taken to the hospital. I am moving as much as 200 meters away from where that tanker had the flames, and of course you can see properties. This used to be a mechanic workshop. All right, if you are just joining us, this is Legit Live, and I must tell you, there has been a massive gas explosion here around the border of between Ogun State and Lagos State. I am right here around the Ajuwon axis. Most people call this area the Grey Land. If you are familiar, if you are conversant with this area, this is just around that Grey Land exactly. It's been massive. I tell you, it's massive. It's massive. Alright guys, this is the voice of Babajide Oreva reporting for Legit NG, and I must tell you, it's been a massive one here around Ajuwon axis. What happened? There used to be there is a gas. Let me try as much as possible to get there. Okay, as I speak with you now, I'm trying to walk as much as possible. There is a gas depot around here where a supposed gas tanker supposed to come and deliver. And in fact, as I tell you, these are live wires. It's so unfortunate that even you still hear sound that there is still power in some of all these. So here is a gas plant. A supposed tanker was supposed to just come and drop, but of course it tried to turn, it fell, and the rest has been yet another disaster for Nigeria. It's destruction too many yet again. All right, if you are just joining us, this is Legit NG Live, and of course I must tell you, there has been yet another major fire incident here at the suburb of Lagos. In fact, it is just around Ogun State. If you can see right now, once again, I'm back to where the supposed tanker is. This is a tanker. These are the remnants of the tanker that destroyed properties just around here in Ajuwon. So far we can't tell you the number of casualties, but of course we can. What we know is we have men of the Federal Road Safety Commission. We also have men of the LASEMA Response Unit. We have men of the Lagos State Fire Service, and of course we have the Nigerian Police Force, all here trying to make sure things are straightened here. I tell you, properties. I tell you, if you're here, then properties are destroyed. Properties are destroyed. Properties have been destroyed around here. There used to be a very big